How to add apps to desktop. There are two different apps that you have on your desktop. The first one is the pre-install apps on your desktop, like the computer logo, the recycle bin icon is not here, or the desktop or the shortcuts to the apps you installed on your device. Here I have only one pre-installed shortcut to this my device, which is the computer's name. So now to add this one, like recycle bin and others, come to this start button, click on it, click on settings icon here, click on personalization here, scroll down, click on themes. Now here scroll down, click on desktop icon settings. Now you have it here. Now select which of these icon that you want, click on apply, click on OK. So let's go back and see it. You see that this recycle bin has been added, the P sealer has been added. Then what other one we added again that has been added here? So we've been able to add that. Control panel is also added. So we've been able to add that. Now to add other software shortcut on your device is very simple as well. Come back to this place, click on it. Now scroll up until you see this button that says all. If you scroll up, you have it here. So you have access to every app you install on your device. So let me locate Google Chrome and add it. Before I do that, you see that there's no Google Chrome here. So let me click on it and add Google Chrome again. So just click, hold and drag. Google Chrome will be added here. Then now we've been able to add this to the list. So that's all guys on how to add apps to desktop on your Windows PC or laptop. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.